why choose a third-party maintenance provider? Through fear, uncertainty, and doubt, hardware OEMs will have you believe that you should not deviate from their defined upgrade path. It pays to cut through the data center confusion, as most organizations will benefit from partnering with a third-party maintenance provider. Reduce annual costs by 30 to 50%. Reduce disruption and downtime caused by unnecessary hardware upgrades. Access legacy hardware support skills that your vendor may no longer be able to offer. Have guaranteed access to approved spare parts. Get the right support for a multi-vendor environment. Download our essential guide today for all the benefits the OEMs won't share. cds.net